Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Shabnam ma'am. So in this video, instead of posting anything else, as you can see that what will be the cutoff for the June cycle. As you know, what was the level of the exam? It's the common question that every aspirant of UGC NET who have appeared are expecting and thinking that what will be the cutoff. Everybody is discussing this. So it's common actually that when the exam always, as per the history, tougher, the cutoff will go down. It's common. So what do you think? How much you have assumed that the cutoff will be? If you appeared for the exam, you already know the paper this time had a mixed level, especially the difficulty level that you have faced, experienced. So, on the basis of that, if the exam was too tough, you can expect that what will be the cutoff, right? The level of the questions were like that you have not studied, you have not prepared such type of questions. The questions were like out of syllabus. Many of the students, many of the teachers were saying that it's like out of syllabus. The content, everything, the writer. The questions were like it tested your deep conceptual understanding and interpretation, your deep conceptual understanding. As I was keep telling you, deep conceptual understanding and interpretation, how you interpret any text basis of your understanding. So this is what happened in June. I to want that if any of you have appeared and given the exam, that cutoff will go down as per your expectation so that you can crack your net, you get your JRF. It's my wish. We can hope for the best. So the factors that will affect the cutoff this time, the factors everybody is talking about right now that can affect the cutoff: your exam pattern, level of the questions, difficulty level, how tough the exam question was, lengthiness. So it's like these type of factors can affect your cutoff. Do remember. So you can high your hope actually. It's like the moderate to difficulty level, especially the theory heavy areas. The first one. Second would be like increased competition, how many students were appeared in the exam. Second, the ambiguous questions. It's like if any of one or two or three questions may be dropped, or you can get the grace marks. Number of sheets, that means normalization plays a key role if the paper had variations, and this time you have seen such thing tremendously. Variations. So you all have an idea that what is going to happen with the cutoff. So you can assume if your paper went well, that's great. Keep your documents and preparation ready for the next step. And if your paper did not go well, the one, you can start preparing. Start right now. You don't need to be panicked. Just stay calm and start preparing. And also, if the cutoff will go down or whatever is going to be happen now, the one that who have appeared for the exam, get ready to challenge the questions also when the answer key release. So that can also help you to increase your score. right? So I'm hoping that the cutoff will be according to you, whatever you have done. Everybody do same level of effort. Some of them do more, some of them do, but equally, if the students are, they are students, they keep a lot of hard work. They do lot of hard work to achieve what they want to achieve actually. So keep your hope high and let's wait till answer key releases. Then after that we can assume that the cutoff, how much they are going to divide between the categories, whether it's general categories, SC/ST categories, or OBC categories. So I hope it will work for you. So this is not the end actually. Whatever is happen, I'm keep telling you that whatever is happen, you just have to be stay strong and focused. Keep preparing. This is not the end. Okay? When once the answer key releases, we will discuss the number of the cutoffs that as per the category what is going to be the cutoff they will put. Like if the general category is how much they will put, whether it's 68% to or 58% or around 55, 54, 58 to 60% they will put, or less than that between the categories they will divide. So wait till then. So this is what I wanted to discuss today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the cutoff. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Share more to more students and do like the session. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Take care and bye bye.